Oh, what it is. Oh, what's up? Qween, Asha, God dang. If you're new to my channel and you just happen to stumble across my page, you know, hit that subscribe button, support your girl. And if you're new, you know what's up, what's good, what's happening. But we just finna just cut to the chase. Y'all already see what's in the title. Your girl got a letter from who? A letter from Amazon. And you know, I'm too excited to open this with y'all. I wanted to do an unboxing. Like I told y'all, whatever I get, I'm unboxing it for y'all because I know y'all want to see what I see, and I need to make sure y'all get the right products and that I ain't telling y'all no lies about these products. So y'all, I'm relaxed, you know, because I have just got off work, so I'm in my pajamas. But here it goes, you guys. It's bigger than me. Like, I'm too happy. I'm too hyped, y'all. Like, let me hurry up and open this. Story, I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. It said it was gonna come in May 2nd. It came May 2nd, but it didn't give me none of like the where it was at, you know, when it got to this location until Saturday. And then the disappointing part about it all is that the post office closed early because I went to the wrong mobile post office. Why didn't they have that on the paper? I went to the wrong one. But y'all know, the boo thing came through and got it for me when I was at work, so I didn't have to wait till Thursday. This thing open. So this is the 18-inch ring light. I need the best to come. And I was gonna get a small one, but I really didn't know. But thanks to my lovely best, she was like, you know, I got the 18-inch. You don't want nothing smaller, so your girl got the 18-inch. And I mean, I might get a smaller one eventually, just to have a small one. But until then, we got this big baby. And it comes with a stand too, so, or a tripod, or yeah, a stand. You know, I'm just, okay. It's a handful of stuff in here. Actual ring light itself in the box. And then this is the accessories, so like the charger port, you got the light fixtures because you can make it like white light or red warm light. I guess that makes sense. It comes with, ooh, I can clickety click, I guess take pictures or do videos. And of course, I mean, this is a step by step, just like when I got my camera that I'm using right now. So we're gonna take a look at this. And what's the other thing? I'm assuming this is the actual tripod piece. So this is what's gonna hold the ring light. We starting off opening the stand first because I feel like that's what makes the most sense. The stand. I just got boxes everywhere, so don't pay me no mind. Oh snap! My camera is actually dying. It's okay. It's okay. I got time though. So this is the stand. I'm just gonna pop this bad boy on open. Make sure you guys be careful if you don't know how to use a knife, or get somebody to use a knife for you. All right. Just because I don't like, I don't like reading instructions. Terrible. And you see what I got. And I think the stand goes up to 6 feet, which I need because I'm 5 feet. So that works out tremendously. Where did I put my knife? Luckily I didn't sit down. And this is real lightweight, so the whole box itself wasn't heavy. And for those who may be wondering, because I surely didn't say it, the brand that I bought was Neewer, Neewer, Neewer. Yeah, that's Y'all can see. Y'all ready for these ring light vibes? Go ahead and put one of the filters on. Just go ahead, because I read the instructions. Terrible. When you read the instructions, it gets you a long way. Reading is fundamental if y'all did not know. So it was a piece on top of here. You want to take it off. It's just to protect it. And now you want to put this on top of there. And these little, y'all probably can't see it, but these little nozzles, it tightens it on there. And you make sure this one tight for it fall on my head. Boom. So I brought it down to eye level. These are like some accessories, so we just gonna go ahead and put these together. And it plugs in, just to let you guys know. So fast forward, we have this mount, and the ring light is already plugged in. I just haven't turned it on. You know, I already connected everything. This is the mount for it, so all we have to do is slide this bottom piece into here. Let's see. And they have different, one for the phone and one for the camera. So, how do I want to do this? Oh, yeah, we're gonna do it at the top. And then we're gonna slide that in. Well, I don't really like how loose that is. It slides like right in and out, but I guess if we're not moving it, you're fine. So that's a con, a pro, a con. Y'all know what I mean. Unless I figure out, oh wait, never mind. I figured out how to do it, I think. Twist it. All right, it's sitting there. Ready? Because I'm about to flip the switch in the back. Hold on. Okay. So y'all see it. Ooh. It's getting bright. Y'all, look at this. Y'all can't even see me. How bright it is. I can barely look into it. Like my eyes are low. Okay, it focused. We're gonna just turn it down. Okay, you can't even tell I have the other lights on in the room. Woo, completely, totally different. So what we're about to do now is the final result, which is put you, this bad boy, right on top of this. You on top of this. Guys, we are recording with the ring light in my Canon Mark G7X2. Y'all tell me what y'all think, because it looked like the camera quality and the lighting is beyond me. Like, ooh, ah. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna turn it up. I'm gonna start turning it up. Okay, y'all, I could, sure y'all can tell. All right, this is the highest it goes. Okay, my eyes got acquainted, but it's so bright. Like, I don't know how it's gonna look with the orange filter. It's probably gonna feel a little warmer. You know, I'm all about the warm.
Word. Yeah.
Word.
Work.
Show me how you work. Show me how you work.
Work. Work.
But don't get me wrong, I like this. I like this too. Like, y'all gonna be seeing me, I'm a savage. I'm just kidding. Or I'm not kidding. But I like this. Like I said, the only thing that I'm not really liking is not like in there. Like, I don't feel like completely secure, so I'm probably gonna have to, you know, do a little something, but for the price, I mean, and the lighting, you can't be mad. I actually just turned this light off that I had on the side, and I'm sure y'all probably can see another difference, but thank you guys for tuning in. I enjoyed making this video. It's really not that long, obviously. It's probably under 6 minutes. I hope it's about 6 minutes. But if it's not, I hope y'all enjoyed me putting it together real quick and fast and seeing this quality I'm getting. Y'all will definitely see what the orange color platelet thing look like eventually, because I'm sure I'm gonna use it. But for this video and the timing, this is what you're gonna get. Let me pose. All in all, thanks for tuning in to your girl's video. I really appreciate it. I just can't wait to give you guys more videos. I know it's been a minute. It's always gonna be a minute. Hey, when this ain't full time, but you try to make it full time, you gotta do what it do. You feel me? So with that being said, again, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Don't forget to share, and your girl is out. Adios, arrivederci, adieu.